What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony, aka Barry Group, and welcome to Dance with VS Versatile's online street dance tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning the Smurf. Let's get started. Awesome. So now, let's go into the Smurf. The Smurf is a dance that was actually named after a famous TV show. The Little Blue People, the cartoon. Yeah, so that's what this dance is named after. So what we're gonna start off with is our rock. So we're gonna stand here, our knees are gonna be kind of bent, and we're gonna start off with our rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And at the same time, our arm are gonna push out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah? So let's try to put those together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try to back. Starting off with just our rock. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add our arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time facing the front, and then we're going to try with some music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As a reminder, this dance is a social party dance. So you can add your own swag to it. This is just the bass. You can take it in different variations. You can go up. You can take it levels to the side. Yeah, whatever you want. It's up to you. But now, let's try with some music.
And now, you've got yourself something funky.
It's a social party dance, so feel free to try those different variations once you got that bass down. Again, thank you for rocking with me today. If you like what you saw, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want to know more about us, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersaStyleLA. And if you want to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram at AnthonyBerry76. Peace, y'all.